How to insert Nano SIM card into Redmi 14C. First, you need to get the SIM card removal tool. It's located in the box with the phone, well hidden under the white part of the packaging. If you can find it, you can use a regular paperclip. Hold the phone so that the SIM card tray is on the visible side. Pay attention to the body of the phone. There's a small hole under the tray. Now, insert the removal tool or a paperclip into this hole and gently press. The tray should pop out. Take the SIM card and insert it into that tray. Remember, the corner of the SIM card should align with the corner of the tray. The contacts of the card should face down. If you have two SIM cards, you can insert the first one into the middle slot and the second one into the outer slot. Always ensure the corner of the card is in place and the contacts are facing down. However, you can leave just one SIM card if that's more convenient. If you wish, you can insert a micro SD card into the remaining slot to expand the device storage. Insert it in the same way, making sure the angle and the contacts are correct. Once everything is in place, gently slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks. Turn on the phone, and after a few seconds, the signal strings will appear on the screen, indicating that the SIM cards are installed correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.